I just like, I know it zooms in a lot, but quality is better.
Nah, but it's all blurry. They all start crossing each other's paths.
Let's go. It's fine. It just gives you better quality when you upload it.
Oh, yeah, they would. That'd be nice.
It's gonna be one of them games. They're gonna fight for it. Oh, I wonder who's recording with that camera. I think he's with Aaron's family.
That's Aaron's family.
Right? I'm gonna ask him later.
Talk to each other. That's right.
Come on!
Stays.
Why is everybody just standing around?
Perdió. Inez.
Ah, come on! Make better passes.
Get that ball. Don't let him.
Get that. Make better passes, bro.
Come on, take a deep
Right. And that's his shoes again.
Recording this nice. Recording takes away from watching the game.
How do you think I feel? Yes! Good, I get it!
Get that ball! Let's go!
Come on!
Get that ball. Go, go!
Huh?
But that's his first one. Bravo. They'll probably cook you there. Probably cook you, bro.
Get that ball.
Why is nobody getting the ball? Was Nate coming? That's mom.
No, that's a mess of the floor.
You just missed that. He's supposed to be recording. Telephone.
Get that ball.
Yes, I understand. You had a triple?
Damn. It was nice too.
I'm surprised.
Dale, papi.
Oh.
Get that ball.
Get it back, nice. Get it back.
Back to Ness.
You gotta look for. He's got a call for it.
Yeah, that's what I tell him.
Right there, look, you gotta go to. That's a good shot.
Oh, is that right? Ay, bendito.
Ain't no fouls, kid. Come on.
Yep. Yep. Woo!
Pull up, Fade. With the go hustle boy.
Oh, too hard, too hard.
Oh, you hit it.
The other guy did, right? Lamero
I
did?
thought so, but
Yeah, me too, but
My team did it. We just didn't see it. You don't like you don't
viene rápido como que ya se apaga, mano.
call her from my phone. Is mom?
Come on, Mello, let's go.
Good shot.
Oh,
It's a
oh.
good shot. Hey, it's a good shot. It's a good shot. And he's gonna make it. Let's go, boy.
Yes!
The left hand.
Get that ball back. Get that ball back.
That's right. Yeah. Oh, come on. Make good passes.
No es mía, mano, me te lo ponen a frente. Mira, bien, gracias a Dios. Sí. Sí, estaba cantadilla, todavía estoy que puse de cabeza, pero tiene ojito el niño en la mañana y me estaba hablando con tu carro y lo cambié. Hice la prueba de batería y de todo y todo está bien. Todo está bien, que yo no pienso que ya está prendido. Pero cuando yo llegué estaba prendido. Estaba hasta arriba completo. Yo creo que se me quedó prendido. No creo que también la temperatura. Hice la prueba y estaba bueno. Pero me llevé el carro de para asegurarme.
Get that ball.
No sé si fue, bueno, si están ahí todavía conmigo, que la dejó de la nena, que no sé si puede llegar. Pero buen provecho.
Good job, Tyler. You're tough now.
No, pero no, estoy bien, Gracias. Bendiciones. Yeah, he paused.
That's right.
Hey, we're not done playing defense. We're gonna keep playing defense. Yeah, good job.
Yeah, they changed the scoreboard. He's so good. So smooth with it, right?
I need his handles when that's everything else.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I see.
You gotta work. I'll follow one. Right in the pocket.
Whoa. Come on.
Stop that.
That's right. That wasn't going nowhere.
Good job, Kelly.
Dang, 11 to 30. Come on, travel. Does that? Yeah, no.
Somebody gotta be in the middle.
Me when I go to the right side of the lane. That's not my fault.
Thought of it, Batty.
I know, I'm like, I looked over, I'm like,
You brought me back.
double. That's a good shot.
Cooking on.
Oh, good play.
They need to play a better division. Get some competition. That's right. Yeah, I know. I was thinking that. I was like, I thought that's what they called that first.
That's
In front of me.
set that pivot foot. The call violation on him. He had his foot on the line, I think. 34. Oh, he forgot.
Word, get out of here. Oh, yes! Okay, showing out. Oh. All right.
Why are you hating right now?
Right. You be real hype when the Matt gets an A1.
That was a good move. That was tough. That was a tough move. What's normal? Define normal.